What's up, y'all?
What's up? We made it. Grants Pass.
We're here. We're exhausted.
There's some
We've got a fireplace.
rapids in back of us, but I don't think it's that time yet. So
No, we'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. Sorry we didn't get to do a live today.
too much going on today.
Our whole day got away from us. So basically, we're going to go to bed soon because it's this time o'clock.
This time o'clock.
Which I'm pretty sure it means like 2 a.m. our time.
That's true.
So, and I don't know what math it is with daylight savings and all that, but it's time for bed.
Yeah.
And we are going to get up at 8 a.m. and meet with Mike and Mitch and the whole Stonecoat fam to do some artwork tomorrow. And we will let you in on the whole adventure. So, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for being awesome, y'all. Bye.
I said bye.